are you today? I hope you're doing great. So, today we're going to discuss SQL joins. Unlock the power of data with SQL joins. Discover how you can seamlessly combine data from multiple tables. I'm Chris Gamble, and let's have fun with data. Okay, so we're going to talk about four different categories of joins today. The first one is going to be inner joins. The second category is right and left joins. The third category is full outer joins. And then the final category that we're going to discuss is cross joins, or you'll hear them called Cartesian joins. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to talk about is inner joins. So an inner join, as you see here, takes all the fields. An inner join returns rows that have a match in both tables. So as you see in the diagram here, it returns all the records in the center. A left join returns all the rows from table A and the matching rows from table B. So similar to a left join is a right join. It's the same but opposite, as you see in this diagram here. So a right join returns all the records in table B and the matching rows and data from table A. A full outer join will return all the records from both tables. So for example, if you're combining a sales table with an employee table, it will return all the sales and all the employees, regardless of whether or not an employee had any sales or a sale was tied to any employees that are in the employee table. A Cartesian join returns every possible match from both tables. Tell us in the comments below how you plan to use some of the information that you've learned today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.